Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anshika, and if you are new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video I will be telling you step-by-step guide to do a basic makeup. It is kind of a makeup tutorial, but I will tell you each and every step to keep in mind while doing your makeup. And I will create this look right here. It is a wine color grade eyeshadow look, and it's very basic and simple. And if this is something that interests you, then do comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, prep your skin before putting heavy makeup. I'm here using Pond's moisturizer with vitamin E and spreading it all over my face evenly. Now for the first step in makeup, use a primer. I am using here Insight 3-in-1 primer. Always use this near your cheeks and your under eye area very carefully and massage it over your skin really well so that the primer is absorbed into the skin and it gives a nice matte finish. Now I am going in with the foundation. I am using Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 and spreading it all over my face evenly. I usually use a damped sponge, a little bit of moistured sponge for blending because it gives a matte finish and also covers all part of the face very evenly. Now for the eyebrows, I am using the Estee Lauder in the shade grey and going in with the spoolie first, combing my eyebrows so that I can fill in the eyebrows with the color. Now going in with the color side, I'm filling it very gently, very softly, and take your own time in filling your eyebrows so that it does not look fake, and do not overdo them. Now it's time for concealing. I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and I am in the shade medium. I am going in with this in the under eye area and over the lids to prepare them for the eyeshadow step. After concealer, I am going in with a baking powder. I am using this one from Swiss Beauty Primer Cum Loose Powder and putting it under my eyelids. Now I first like to do my eyeshadow part rather than the rest of the face. So I'm going in with a very nude shade to prep my eyelids. Spread it all over your eyelids. It can be uneven because it is the first base. So you just need to put a little bit of color so that it looks even. Now for the second step, go in with a little darker shade in the corner of the eyelids, outer corners, and spread it evenly on both the eyelids. As I am doing a wine eyeshadow look, I will take the red wine color and go in with the inner corner of the eyeshadows very well. Now to give it a more shimmery look, I will take a concealer and conceal the mid area of my eyelids before putting the shimmer color so that it's more visible and it looks more natural. As my eyeshadow is completed, I will go in with a liner. Here I am using the Nykaa winged eyeliner, which is in a sketch pen form and it's very easy to use. Now after 10 minutes, remove all the loose powder that we have applied before eyeshadow very gently with a brush. Now for the acne scars or any kind of dark spots, I am going in again with a stick foundation and covering those up with a more darker shade. Always blend your foundation in one direction, either downwards or sidewards, so that it looks even. Now I am taking the same red wine color and going in with the lower lids of my eyes so that it looks even and a complete look. Now for the contour, you can either take a contour stick or a brush kind of contour. So I like to use the powder one, and I am taking this from the Swiss Beauty Professional palette and going in on the cheekbones and the upper area of forehead and also the neck area. Now it's time for blush. I am taking a nudish pink kind of shade and going on the ample of my cheeks and also nose area with the help of a blush brush. Now before going on to the lipstick part, I always like to line my lips if I am doing a professional makeup kind of a look. I'm going out. Now for the lipstick, I will take a little less dark shade than that of a lip liner and go in with the inner corners of the lip. Now to top off the whole look, I will go in with a mascara, which is the last step because sometimes it gives a residue or it falls out. So mascara is the last step that I like to do. I forgot to apply the highlighter. It's time for highlighter. I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Always don't forget, you have to apply the highlighter on your nose tip as well. So that is it. This is the final look, and it just took me around 12 to 13 minutes to create this look. It's basic, just keep the steps in mind and you'll get that flawless base. So this is the final look, and if you guys like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down if you try this, and do tag me on Instagram if you recreate this look. So thank you for watching. Bye.